Rivers, he's the criminal lawyer.
Who is he?
Bruce Rivers, he's the criminal lawyer.
And who is he?
Bruce Rivers, he's the criminal lawyer.
And what he do?
And it's gonna react to all the self-snitching.
Hi, this is Bruce Rivers. Welcome to another episode of Criminal Lawyer Reacts. Today we're going to be reacting to one of my favorite artists, King Von. This is Why He Told. And this is going to be a legitimate, I haven't seen this one yet, so we'll just dive right into it.
Tell me what you know.
All right. See somebody pressing the tape recorder and tell me what you know. It sounds like an interview. So we're setting up a scene where we have a snitch, it seems like.
DJ on the beat, so it's a bang. Man, I don't know why he told. That boy was realer than the bitch, man. I don't know how he folded. He could have hit them with the script, but he ain't sugarcoated. He told him what.
Could have hit them with the script, but he ain't sugarcoated. In other words, when you have a snitch situation, they get an agreement from the government saying that we can't use anything against you while you talk to us. But if you lie to us, all bets are off. We can use your information for whatever. It's called a proffer agreement. So if the guy goes in and lies and they find out that he lies, then he's fucked.
Told that was my brother, he broke. Gotta act like I don't know. Don't call my phone no more. That nigga laughed at me in my face, don't know what he on no more. I even asked him, was it true? He told me, nah, lil' bro. Bitch, what you lying for? You had me crying, bro. Could've did that time, bro.
Could have done that time, bro. In other words, why are you telling on me? You should have just been, and back in the old days, that was the Cosa Nostra. That's what they used to, that was a code of silence. And, but I'm going to tell you, nobody fucking does that anymore. Everybody snitches. I don't like it. I don't represent snitches, but it happens all the time. 99.99% of the drug cases that come out of the federal government are based on snitch testimony. So be careful who you're hanging with.
We ain't talking now, and he don't even call my phone no more, cause ain't nothing to talk about. Nigga, you did wrong, let me.
He ain't calling my phone no more. You don't want him to call your phone. If he would call your phone, he's probably trying to set you up.
Cause you ain't real no more. This shit fucked up, niggas telling on the guys, I don't even wanna drill no more. I don't even wanna drill no more. Bitch, I would've bonded you out. You could've stayed at my house. We would've figured it out.
Wouldn't that be a bitch, though, if you bonded somebody out and all of a sudden they're the snitch on you? That would really suck. That's why people get killed.
This is the easiest route. I wonder when he get in out. Who we gon' hang with now? Man, this nigga dangerous now. He might end up taking me out. Won't feel safe if he around. Rollin' ain't gon' like how this sound. Cause bitch, you came up from the ground. You get hit with that take if you foul. Just be quiet, cause these niggas.
We have more of that. More of that, because that's what happens when you snitch. Although I will have to say, in 23 years of practice, I've only heard about a few of those incidents in jail where somebody gets either hurt or killed. So it's not that common, but it is very common to snitch.
Man, I don't know why he told. That boy was realer than the bitch, man. I don't know how he folded. He coulda hit them with the script, but he ain't sugarcoated. He told him what he told. That was my brother, he broke it.
See the anxiety? I mean, the video is actually really good in the sense that it depicts the anxiety of the character Vaughn is playing here. He's going through anxiety while he's got a pending case, not knowing what's up with his buddy that snitched on him, or snitched on his brother, and not sure what's up for him.
You had me crying, bro. Could've did that time, bro. Oh, you a witness now. The realest nigga that I knew, you done turned Mickey Mouse. I heard they got you in there.
What he's saying is, you were the realest buddy I knew, but now you're a rat. Mickey Mouse is a reference to being a rat, and only rats leave a sinking ship.
You put that business out. I I bet they gave your ass some food, said you was getting out. Now sit your dumb ass down. Bitch, I would've bonded you out. You could've stayed at my house. We would've figured it out. This is the easiest route.
So he the person who's the snitch is stuck in a position. According to the person who's a snitch, I got to make a choice. Do I make a choice and go with Vaughn's character and rely on him to do this, this, or this? Or do I go with the government and who can offer me this, this, or that? And I can tell you this. I've had a lot of cases where people have relied on people like Vaughn's character and they don't come through. And so they miss their opportunity to snitch, but then they never come through on the other end. So, you know, if you're going to be real, be real.
I wonder when he getting out. Who we gon' hang with now? Man, this nigga dangerous now. Then the bitch, man, I don't know how he folded. He coulda hit them with the script, but he ain't sugarcoated.
Yeah, if you set things up to have a script, that's also witness tampering, which can aggravate a sentence. In other words, make it longer.
I even asked him, was it true? He told me, nah, lil' bro. Bitch, what you lying for? You had me crying, bro. What coulda did that time, bro?
So at the end, we get the refrain, and he talks a lot about, I thought you were real. I thought you were my brother. We could have worked this out. I've had a lot of cases over the years where somebody turned on my client, and my client would always say, "Oh, he's not going to show up for court, or they're not going to do this, or he loves me. This is just not going to happen this way." And you got to plan on the worst. You know, you got to plan on them flipping. You got to plan on them. You know, and if they don't, then great. But you have to be ready for the eventuality that you're going to be the target. And better off to not be the target and to not even be in that position. But if you are, shut your fucking mouth. And if somebody is trying to engage, they're doing it because they're trying to be a snitch. So that was Why He Told by King Von. And you know, I guess I really like the Vaughn videos because they tell a story, and I think they're really well done. So this has been Bruce Rivers, Criminal Reacts, Why He Told by King Von. So my hat's off to King Von and R.I.P. So thank you guys for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and look for an announcement here very, very soon. And we'll see you next time.